Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I came up with a Mexican dish quesadilla. It's very simple and easy to make and is incredibly tasty. Quesadilla has got many recipes. I have tried quesadilla from Taco Hut and loved it. So I tried to recreate the same at home. Here it's a hit. We make quesadilla at home very frequently for breakfast and dinner. You can give quesadilla to your kids as tiffin. They will surely love it. So here's my recipe. Let's see. Here I have used 200 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. Now marinate the chicken using 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika powder and salt to taste, and marinate the chicken and keep aside for 15 minutes. Now fry the chicken using refined oil and keep aside. Take another pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic finely chopped. Now goes 1 medium-sized onion diced. Mix well. No need of onion to be soft or transparent. The crunchiness of onion should be there. It's done. Now add bell pepper, red and green. You can even add yellow bell pepper. Give a mix. The crunchiness of bell pepper should be there. Do not overcook. Now add pepper, 1 teaspoon. Now mix well. You can use store-bought tortilla or homemade. Here I am using the homemade ones. This is maida, made of maida, and I have made wheat tortilla as well. Brush the tortilla with butter. Now add tomato sauce or ketchup. Add shredded mozzarella cheese. Now add sorted vegetables. At last adding our fried chicken pieces. Now our quesadilla is ready. This is one version of preparing quesadilla. This is wheat chapati or tortilla. Same procedure is followed here. Only difference is here whole chapati is going to be filled with mozzarella cheese and masala and going to cover with another tortilla or chapati. That is the only difference. All other procedure filling is same as done before. Now heat the tawa and brush both sides with butter. and flip the other side. While flipping, be careful. Now brush the other side with butter. Now our quesadilla is ready. Now moving with our other tortilla, same procedure, brush both sides with butter and flip the other side. And now it's done. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. See you on next vlog. Until then, take care and bye-bye.